Happy Chaitra Navratri to everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can make a painting of goddess Kali using oil pastels. So in this video, I am using camel oil pastels. In case you don't have camel oil pastels or in case you have any other brand of oil pastels, then you are completely free to use that also. The results will be almost similar. The paper or the medium that I'm using is 300 GSM watercolor paper. Again the same thing, if you have normal drawing paper then you can use that also. I have this paper in extra, so I'm using that all only. So this is my first attempt in using this paper. Before this I have always used the normal drawing paper and the results are similar. Okay, so draw in the same manner. The first color was brilliant blue and now I'm using Antwerp blue, the second shade of blue. Okay, so apply the colors in the similar manner which you can see in the video. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah, which means that whatever energy or power that is residing in our body through which we can talk, I can make video, you can watch the video, you can draw, I can draw, you can hold your phone, and whatever the energy required, I just completely salute to that power many times. मैं उस power या शक्ति को बार बार नमन करता हूँ. And this is the exact meaning of this mantra. Yes, everything that happens in the world, whatever energy requires, is given by the goddess. Now I'm using the lightest shade of blue and now I'm just blending with my fingers. If you don't want your fingers to get dirty, you can also use your blending stump, cotton or tissue papers. But if you will ask me that what is the best blending tool according to you, then yes, according to me the best blending tool is our fingers. So I always use fingers for the blending. Now for her forehead, first for the darkest tone I'm using primary red and then I will use scarlet. Now I'm using scarlet. I will cover her whole forehead with scarlet. And for the highlights I'm using this pencil so that her eyebrows and her eyes not mixes with the background. So again I'm using scarlet. Okay, and in this video on her forehead I have not given any reflection, right? But if you want your painting to look more realistic, then you can give a shade of white on her forehead in the middle portion. जहाँ पे अभी जस्ट हम कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, that is the middle portion. You can use white color there. And in the middle, I've also used yellow, deep yellow color. And now again I'm blending with my fingers. And now I will show you the complete result. As I said before, you can also use cotton bud or any other blending tool. Okay, again I'm using deep yellow, but this step is completely optional if you have given reflection with white. Now I'm using black color pencil. Actually this is black permanent marker, but later in this video I will use black color pencil because permanent marker does not run smoothly on this thing. So you can see now I'm using black color pencil. In case you recreate this painting, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. The link of my Instagram handle is given in the description box. Okay, so you can go and check that. Do you know why we celebrate Navratri? Actually, Navratri is the worship of 9 forms or the 9 incarnations of goddess Parvati. The first goddess, the first incarnation of goddess Parvati is goddess Shalputri. The second one is the goddess Brahmacharini. Third one is goddess Chandraghanta. Fourth one is goddess Kushmanda. Fifth one is goddess Skandamata. Skand means Lord Kartike, the son of goddess Parvati. Okay, the brother of Lord Ganesha. The sixth one is goddess Katyayani. Actually, goddess Katyayani is the actual slayer of the demon Mahishasur, and hence the name Mahishasur Mardini. The seventh one is the fierce form, that is the goddess Kalratri. The eighth one is goddess Mahagauri. The ninth one and the final one is goddess Siddhidatri, which gives us the Siddhis. So these are the 9 forms of goddess Parvati the 9 incarnations of goddess Parvati who are worshipped during Navratri. So now I am using white color for the highlights. So follow the same thing, and now I'm using black color pencil for outline. Okay, so just do in the same manner. And in case if you have any query regarding this video or any other thing, then you can obviously ask me in the comment section. Okay, so again I'm using the same steps, so I have just skipped the part. Now I have used burnt sienna for the first layer of her hairs. Okay, burnt sienna matlab brown. Okay, and after burnt sienna I am using black color, and I will do another layer of black. You will see in the video. Okay, and at last I will blend all the things. Okay, so there's a second layer of black, you can see, and this layer will be little denser than the previous one. Okay, so you have to fill all the empty spaces, mostly all the empty spaces, with black color. Okay, and you have to leave some spaces in between for white color. Okay, and at last you have what you have to do, blend. Okay, now I'm coloring her mundmala, that is the skull, with grey color. You know what is mundmala? Mund means skull and mala means you know what is. Actually, during the fight with the demon Rakt Beach, goddess Kali beheaded many demons, and those beheaded heads were incorporated in her garland. Actually, there are total 108 skulls in her garland, which is a very auspicious number in our religion. Okay, so you have to follow the same steps. Just stick the cut piece on a chart paper. So I have covered my book with chart paper, and now I will stick the cut piece on that with using Fevicol. Now we have reached to the end part of this video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video and must have found this video useful and fruitful. If yes, then don't forget to like this video and share your queries in the comment section. Let's meet in the another video with another topic. Till then, just enjoy the scenario.